Alright, how can we translate and dub using VOZO AI? Well, we simply click here on Translate and Dub, then click Create. We can upload a video, right? So I've chosen this one with Selena Gomez, It's just a random speech I found online. Here, as you can see, we have various options like automatic transcription, subtitle extraction, speaker number selection, and automatic title detection with translation to, say, Spanish, okay? And if we want to add context, we can do that too. It shows 18 required points. We click Start Translation and it begins processing the video. And there we have it. See? Positions. I know what it's like to be judged and belittled. So there we have it. Okay? There's our completed translation. As you can see, we can add more languages, edit subtitles, and use lip sync to ensure the person's lips are synchronized. Here it's in standard mode, but it's not selected yet. Select the face. It says one face only and costs 14 points, but you only have 12 left. Alright, time to wrap up. So that's how we can sync the face, change subtitles, and more. It's really that simple. Now we just hit export and we're done.